Magandang araw mga ka-12. Ito ang inyong weekly dose. Narito ang mga kaganapan sa aming ahensya ngayong linggo. Excellence in local governance upheld. Conduct of coordination meeting regarding subaybayan and NAS updating. Dagyao 2024. Conduct validation assessment and evaluation of technical documents regarding locally funded projects and result-based monitoring evaluation for local government units infrastructure projects. Attendance to legislative capacity enhancement training for Sangguniang Bayan members and staff of LGU Banga in Davao City. Peaceful, orderly, safe and secure communities strengthened. Second, enhanced comprehensive local integration program focal persons meeting. Lokal Serbisyo Caravan at Barangay Katipunan, Municipality of Arakan. Joint Special Action Committee on Anti-Criminality, Anti-Insurgency, and Violent Extremism and Public Safety meeting. Resilient Communities reinforced. Exercise Design Course for Regional Disaster Risk Reduction Management Committee member agencies and Local Disaster Risk Reduction Management Committees of Region 12. Attendance to the third stakeholders consultation coordination meeting consulting the services in preparation for the flood risk management project in Ala, Ilog Hilabangan, and Aklan River Basins. 2024 National Disaster Resilience Month Forum and Culmination Program. Barkada, Aurelio Freires Sr. at Libak Sultan Kudarat. Highly trusted department and partner. Kapihan sa Bagong Pilipinas. Red Orchid Assessment. Attendance to the training course on Mastering Data Management, a guide to Google Sheets and MS Excel. Attendance to the League of Municipalities of the Philippines, Sarangani Chapter, 3rd Quarter Meeting. At iyon ang mga kaganapan sa aming ahensya ngayong linggo. Abangan next week para sa isa namang episode ng inyong weekly dose na matino, mahusay at maaasahang kagawaran. Ako si Clyde, maraming salamat.